Emerson's Keen ceiling fan is setting trends by offering superior performance and a polished, modern look at a competitive price point. Suitable for use indoors, this sleek 52-inch fan expertly improves air comfort in all your favorite spaces. Create a tailored look for your favorite space by mixing your choice of housing finishes with your choice of durable blades and enjoy a breeze as unique as your taste. Choose from brushed steel or satin white housing finishes and reversible blades in brushed steel and barbecue black, natural cherry and satin white, or satin white and walnut. This fan includes a 4.5-inch downrod and a 4-speed wall control that allows you to create custom airflows in your home year-round. The Keen features a modest fan height and is also adaptable to a 2.5-inch downrod, making it a great choice for installation on lower ceilings. It may also be paired with a kit for installation on sloped ceilings. The Emerson Keen's versatile styling and remarkable economy make this ceiling fan a smart choice for the modern home.